Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Ufree Beard Trimmer for Men, a versatile 7-in-1 grooming kit designed to tackle all your haircutting needs from head to toe. Whether you're looking for a reliable trimmer for your beard, mustache, or even body hair, this grooming kit promises to deliver a professional experience at home. The Ufree Beard Trimmer is packed with features. It includes 7 trimmer heads and 10 hair combs, allowing you to customize your grooming experience. It boasts a powerful lithium battery that offers up to 2 weeks of trimming sessions on just a 60-minute charge, making it incredibly convenient for travel. Plus, its sharp stainless steel blades can effortlessly cut through fine or coarse hair, ensuring a smooth and precise trim every time. With a motor speed of up to 6,500 revolutions per minute, this trimmer delivers a quiet yet efficient performance, and the LCD display keeps you informed about battery life. In my experience using the Ufree Beard Trimmer, I found it easy to set up and use right out of the box. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, reducing fatigue during longer grooming sessions. I tested it on various hair types, and it performed admirably without pulling or snagging. Whether trimming my beard or tackling body hair, the trimmer provided a clean cut with no irritation, thanks to its well-designed blades. Let's discuss the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Ufree Beard Trimmer offers exceptional battery life, sharp blades for effective trimming, and a versatile design that caters to multiple grooming needs. However, some users have reported concerns about durability over time, and while the blades are rinsable, the entire trimmer shouldn't be submerged in water to avoid damage. Comparing it to other products in the market, the Ufree Trimmer stands out for its price and functionality. While higher-end models might have more specialized attachments, the Ufree provides excellent value for money as a multifunctional grooming kit. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are models from brands like Philips and Braun that may fit your needs, though they might not offer the same range of features for the price. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with more fantastic content from Beautyistic. In terms of build quality, the Ufree Beard Trimmer features a sturdy metal body that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also adds durability. The overall construction is solid, making it a reliable grooming tool. The user-friendly design makes operation straightforward, and the easy maintenance ensures that the trimmer stays in top condition. I've also had positive interactions with Ufree's customer support, which is responsive and helpful, ensuring a satisfactory experience if you encounter any issues. For long-term reliability, the Ufree Beard Trimmer appears to hold up well under regular use, but be mindful of the wear and tear typical with grooming devices. It's worth noting that while the product has received praise for its performance, customer reviews do suggest keeping an eye on the durability if you plan to use it frequently. In conclusion, the Ufree Beard Trimmer is an excellent grooming tool for anyone looking to maintain their facial hair or body hair with ease. I would recommend it to men who prioritize versatility and efficiency in their grooming routine, whether you're a grooming novice or a seasoned pro. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting the Ufree Beard Trimmer, you'll find the link in the description below. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments or share your thoughts if you've tried it already. This script includes all the necessary elements while maintaining a natural flow and incorporating the required parameters. If you need any adjustments or additional information, let me know.